Color is an aspect of vision. The colors you see are transmitted to the brain through the nervous system. However, each individual responds differently to this information, eliciting various emotions and influences.
What is color psychology? Color psychology is the study of how the colors we perceive affect our thoughts and feelings. This field examines how colors influence human emotions and behaviors, which are shaped by personal preferences, upbringing, and cultural backgrounds. Our reactions to colors are often subconscious and can impact experiences, such as our perception of food's taste. For example, colors play a crucial role in the effectiveness of medicines. Calming pills often use blue, while stimulants tend to use red or yellow. Businesses strategically use color in product design, packaging, advertising, and websites to align with their brand identity and mission. Success in graphic design heavily relies on selecting colors that evoke the desired emotional response from consumers, which is a key objective for designers. Additionally, effective graphic design must take into account cultural variations in color perception. A color may carry entirely different meanings across cultures. For instance, yellow is often seen as cheerful in many places, but can have negative connotations in China. Similarly, while white is associated with purity and weddings in the United States, it symbolizes mourning in several Asian and Middle Eastern countries. Ultimately, understanding and knowing your audience is crucial when choosing colors.
Remember, its skills never end. Thank you.